MindMeister Review. App: the pros, the cons. Need a powerful tool to organize ideas and boost productivity? The MindMeister app promises intuitive mind mapping, but does it live up to expectations? One of the biggest pros is collaboration. Most people get this wrong by thinking mind mapping is a solo activity. MindMeister allows teams to create, edit, and share maps in real time. Comments, voting, and notifications make brainstorming sessions efficient, whether in class, meetings, or remote projects. The app also offers templates, multimedia integration, and export options to PDF, Word, or image formats. You can attach notes, links, and images to branches, making complex ideas easier to visualize. Its clean interface supports both beginners and advanced users looking for structured creativity. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional syncing delays, especially with larger maps or slower internet. The free version is limited to 3 mind maps, which may not suit frequent users. While it excels at visualizing ideas, project management or task tracking features are minimal, so it's best complemented by other productivity tools. In conclusion, MindMeister is an excellent app for visual thinkers, students, and teams seeking clear, collaborative brainstorming tools. The surprising truth is that while it's highly effective for idea organization, heavy users may need a paid plan or supplementary apps for full project management. For anyone aiming to improve creativity, planning, or teamwork, MindMeister delivers simplicity, collaboration, and clarity, but understanding its limits ensures you get the most out of your mind mapping efforts.